Hi everyone. I just wanted to let you know about this app you might have heard of, you might not have heard of, and it's really good actually. It's called Sprive. And if you've got a mortgage, I've got my link here. If you click on it, basically you'll get £5 towards your mortgage. So what it does is you can, as long as your mortgage is one way, you can do overpayments. Then basically this app allows you to go shopping, for instance, to say Asda or Tesco's or something like that. And as long as you pay for it through this app, so it's like a gift card basically, you load the money onto your app from your account and then it gives you a gift card code. Then you go to pay and pay by gift card. And then, for instance, if you spend, say, £100, they give you, I think Asda's 3 or 4% off or 4%. So they'll give you, like, say, £3 or £4, whatever it is, free into your Sprive account. And then you link it to your mortgage. It sounds confusing, but it's not, trust me. And then you pay off your mortgage for basically free money. And if you sign up to this app, if you click on my link, we'll both get £5 as well towards it. So it's quite good. And if you get, I think, 3 or 5 recommendations, then you get £25, or I get £25. So it's quite good. I just thought I'd share it with you because obviously with mortgages, you end up paying a lot of interest and things like that, and you can save a lot of money and time off your mortgage. So just thought I'd let you know. And if you're interested, click the link and see what you think. Enjoy. Hope it works. See you later. Have a nice day. Thanks.